Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So this video is going to be the same one for today, which is Wednesday, tomorrow, which is Thursday, and the next day, which is Friday. What I would like you to do, okay, is keep practicing counting to 10. So you can use your fingers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't matter which hand you start with, right? You could also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? You could even count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's awesome. You could also count objects around the house, right? You could get things to make sounds with, like we've been doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do some tapping with your drumsticks. Bump, ba-da-dum, bump. And you always have your reckon rec that you could use to count. And if you're ready to count past 10, there's 20 on here, because this is 10, and then you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So for today, in addition to practicing your counting, I want you to do this page, which is number 8. Okay, so today would be Wednesday. Okay, so this is number 8. So you're going to draw 8 objects in the house. All right, and then you can cross, every time you do an object, remember you can cross off one of the dots. Okay, on Thursday, you're going to do number 9. So you're gonna draw 9 things in the ocean. It could be fish, it could be ships, it could be dolphins, it could be what else could it be? I don't know. I have to think about it. But you have options. Okay, you have 9. So you want to draw 9 objects, and you have your dots right here. Okay, and then on Friday, it's going to be 10 objects in the grass. So what could be in the grass? It could be flowers. It could be a combination of things. Like it could be like some flowers, some snakes, some butterflies, some turtles, some frogs, whatever you feel like. Just make sure there's 10, okay? And you can cross off the dots here again to make sure you have 10, okay? So after that, I want you to choose every day I want you to choose 2 games to play. So you've already played 4 games. So just choose 2. So one game you could play is cross out, right? And if you need the directions on how to play that to remind you, you can go back to the directions. I think it's on Monday or Tuesday. All the directions are back there. You could play My 5 Frame, which I love. You could play my favorite, which is Climb to the Top. Or you could play Race to Trace. Okay, but I want you to pick 2 games to play. Now, if you want to do 3 games or play 4 games, then go for it. But I do want you to do at least 2 of them. Okay, so you could do 2 games, 3 games, or 4 games. Okay, so every day I want you to practice your counting. Even like if you're just walking around the house, how high can you count with your steps, right? Or going upstairs or coming downstairs. Can you count up to, how high can you count when you're driving in the car and you're seeing buses and trucks and things? Maybe you can set a goal, like today I'm going to try and find as many blue cars as possible, or garbage trucks, or whatever you feel like, or sports cars, like cool, like my son's obsessed with cool sports cars. And then you want to do your number. Okay, so Wednesday is 8, Thursday is 9, and then Friday is 10. And then you're going to pick 2 math games to play, or 3 or 4. All right, great job, boys and girls. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.